How to remove shortcut virus from Pendrive or USB drive. So if you want to remove the shortcut virus from your Pendrive or USB drive, then what you need to do is first you can open up your file explorer and make sure that your USB drive or your pen drive is plugged in. Once you've done that, you need to go with this PC and here you will have your USB drive. So in my case, I have the F drive. So once you're done with that, now what you need to do is you just need to simply search for CMD and go with run as administrator. Open up your command prompt as an administrator, click on yes, and it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need simply enter a command. So in my case, it's F drive, right? So I'll be choosing F and semicolon and hit enter. Once you're done with the first command, you need to enter your second command, which is del space star dot lnk and then hit the enter. After that, you need to go with the third command, which is attrib space minus s space minus r space minus h space star space forward slash yes space forward slash d space forward slash l and then hit the enter. And after that, it will remove any virus that you have on your pen drive or your USB and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.